Yesterday I showed you a quick profit strategy, but one trade doesn't prove anything. Today I'm testing it properly. 6 trades in a row, real balance, real results. Let's see if the strategy holds up. The setup is simple. I trade from clear support and resistance levels on the area chart. Each trade is $5. No improvisation, no emotions. Why 6 trades? Because one lucky entry proves nothing. Consistency is what matters in trading. First trade of the day, $5 from a strong support level. Price tested this area several times before, and now I see confirmation to enter. Nice and clean. Many beginners in trading make the same mistake. They try to open as many trades as possible, thinking that quantity will bring results. But in reality, quality matters much more than quantity. Even if you take just one trade, but it's well thought out and based on your strategy, that's already a big step forward. Second trade, from assistance. Market gave a clear reaction and I followed the rules. Another solid result. A lot of traders start trading without a clear plan. They place trades emotionally, and that's the fastest way to burn through a deposit. But when you have a concrete plan, like my 15-day challenge, it becomes easier to stay disciplined and not jump from one strategy to another. Now, trade 3. I again from resistance because the market was in a downtrend. That was a good idea, but volatility kicked in. The price suddenly reversed and a different pattern started to form. As a result, this trade closed with a refund. No profit, no loss. It's important to see that not every setup will play out perfectly. Sometimes the best outcome is just not losing money. Sometimes your balance grows slowly, and that's completely fine. The key is consistency. As long as your account is moving upward, even in small steps, it shows that your approach is working. The main thing is not to rush and not to try doubling your account in just one day. Fourth trade, back to support. Market respected the level again, and this one closes in profit. That's already 3 green results out of 4 trades. Volatility can be both a friend and an enemy in trading. Sometimes it pushes the price quickly in your favor, but other times it can completely change the pattern. That's why it's important to always expect the unexpected and never treat a return or a small loss as a disaster. Fifth trade, from resistance level, and again a win. Notice how I'm not changing the plan after one neutral result. Discipline makes the difference. Psychology in trading is just as important as the strategy itself. You can have the best system in the world, but if you can't control your emotions, sooner or later you'll lose. Staying calm and collected is the key to consistent results. Final trade of the day, trade 6. Entry from a level, no emotions, just following the rules. And it's another profit. That's 5 wins today plus 1 refund, 0 losses. Let's review. 6 trades, 5 winners, 1 refund. That's a 100% safe day with a solid profit. Our challenge balance is now $150.54. We started with $100 just 5 days ago, and we're already up 50%. What do we learn from this? A good strategy can work, but only if you respect the levels and stay disciplined. The refund on trade 3 shows that volatility can change everything in a second. That's why risk management is just as important as entries. And tomorrow, I'll expose the biggest myths about trading. Is it just gambling? Or can strategies actually give you an edge? Day 6 will answer that. If you want to trade with me daily, join my free channel, t.me/bigtradesignals. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow in day 6.